What if your tweet could get dozens or even hundreds of likes automatically without touching your phone? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically increase likes on any Twitter X post using our powerful automation tool MKT X. On Twitter, likes are more than numbers. More likes mean higher credibility, strange social proof, better reach, and an 𝐓𝐿𝐿 chance of going viral instead of liking posts manually. MKT X lets you scale engagement safely and automatically. Let me show you a real example. I go to Twitter and copy the URL of a post. As you can see, this post only has 1 like. Now I switch back to the software. Go to 𝐓𝐿𝐿 tweet. Paste the tweet link right here. You also have optional features like auto comment and hashtags tag other users. But for this demo, I'll focus only on auto liking. Next, I select the Twitter accounts I want to use. Each account acts like a real user. Now I click Start. Watch this closely. The software opens multiple browser windows. Each window represents one Twitter account. The bot automatically visits the tweet and starts liking it one by one. No manual work. No repeated clicks. Fully automated. This feature is perfect if you promote brands or products, run Twitter marketing campaigns, manage multiple accounts, want fast social proof. If you want to boost your Twitter engagement automatically, save time, and scale faster, message me on Telegram or WhatsApp. The links are pinned below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.